Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to ask for help from a friend when you are stuck with an exercise on the WordSnack application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the Ask Friends button in the right side of the screen, as you can see. And then you have many options that you can choose from. So you can send the request by messages, Messenger, Slack, Gmail, Snapchat, Facebook, and other social networking sites. So if you tap on, for example, the messages, you are going to see that there is the exercise itself included as a picture and a message. Please have a look. What is this word? And then a link. And all you have to do is basically just selecting a person from your contacts to whom you want to send this message as a help. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.